G'day, welcome to StreetNet Limited. I've restored yet another grey motor exhaust manifold for my FE Ute. We decided that the cold starts in New Zealand were going to be a bit much, so we tried to work on getting the hotbox working again. And how that works is exhaust gases will basically come out of here, go up in around the inlet manifold, heating up the inlet manifold, and then they exit down there. So this is in the cold position, and as you can see, the bimetallic spring returns it to the open position for when it's cold. I'll apply a little bit of heat and you'll see the bimetallic spring will collapse, and with the engine vibrations the thing will go to the shut off position. So as you can see there, the springs got a bit of heat into it, and then that closes. Now I'll show you the amazing properties of thermodynamics, and I'll cool that spring down again. You'll see the valve open up, and that's back to the open position for a cold start again. So we decided that it was quite necessary to get this operational again, purely because we were having trouble with getting the motor to start up initially on cold starts. So there's a reason the factory put this there, and that is to assist in cold starts. So now we've got this one working again. Okay, now you've seen the fantastic way that thermodynamics work. Cheers.